If you need to reschedule a Calendly appointment, this quick guide will walk you through the process step by step. Whether your meeting time changed, a guest needs a new slot, or you just want to adjust an upcoming event, Calendly makes it simple to update the appointment and notify everyone automatically. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy software guides just like this. First, open your Calendly account and sign in. Once you're inside your dashboard, look at the left side of the screen and click Meetings. This is where Calendly keeps your scheduled events organized, so it's the best place to find the appointment you want to change. Now look for the meeting under the scheduled list. You may see multiple upcoming appointments here, so take a moment to find the correct one. Click on the meeting you want to update to open the full meeting details. This is where you'll be able to manage the event and make any changes you need. Inside the meeting details, look for the Reschedule button. When you click it, Calendly will give you options for changing the appointment time. In most cases, you'll want to choose Reschedule Meeting now, especially if you want to pick the new time yourself instead of sending the guest back to the booking page. After that, select a new date from the calendar and choose an available time slot that works for you. Make sure you check the time zone if you're scheduling with someone in a different region, because that can help you avoid confusion and missed meetings. Once the new time looks right, review everything one more time before saving. To finish, click Update Event or Confirm, depending on what you see on your screen. Calendly will save the change and automatically notify your guest about the updated meeting time. That means you don't have to send a separate email or message unless you want to add extra context, and that's it. You've now learned how to reschedule a Calendly appointment in just a few clicks. It's a fast process once you know where to go, and it can save you a lot of time when your schedule changes. If this video helped, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.